All right. So we got a couple of review questions we're going to look at. We're going to do 6, 7, and 8 on here. Oh, skinny. Okay. The first one says, write the equation that passes through that point and is parallel to this line. So I'm going to write y equals mx plus b. That's the equation I want to find. And it says that it's parallel to this. I know parallel means same slope, and I know that slope is whatever is in front of the x of 7. So I'm just going to write in my answer, in my final answer here, I know it's y equals 7x plus b. I don't know what b is. Now, I know this is the point. So I'm going to sub this into the equation. This is x and this is y. So I'm going to sub those values into the equation where I know they go. So y is 3 and x is negative 3. Now I'm going to simplify a little bit. 3 equals negative 21 plus b. I'm going to move this to the other side. So it's going to become 24 equals b. So now I know what b is. So my final equation is going to be y equals 7x plus 24. That's the equation of the line that goes through that point, negative 3, 3, and is parallel to this line. Cool. Now we'll do the same thing with this. It's going to be very quick and exact same, basically. So it's perpendicular to this line. So again, let's start with our equation, y equals mx plus b. It says it's perpendicular to that. And so the slope here is 1 over 7. So perpendicular slope would be negative reciprocal, so negative 7. So I'm going to put in my equation negative 7 for the slope. Then I'm going to sub in these points again. So we're going to sub in 3, negative 7. So it becomes negative 7 equals negative 7 times 3 plus b. Let's do the math. Negative 21. Rearrange, you get 14 equals b. So I need to write the final equation. Yep, that's it. So we did the same thing. The last question, write the equation, write the equation, describe this graph, this graph. Cool. I'm going to do y equals mx plus b. You could do a different form if you wanted, like a slope point or whatever. This one's fine for me. I see my y-intercept right there. It's 1. B is my y-intercept, so I'm going to put a 1 there. Then I see the slope from that point to that point. So it went down 1 and across 4. So down 1 means negative 1, across 4. So my slopes could be negative 1 over 4. Oh, my bad. 5, sorry. Bad counting. So that slope's going to go in here for m. And that's it. That's the equation. That's the equation of that line. And that's it. Now we're done.